Y'all, the duck fat is where it's at.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Sylv Mac, and today we are going to make some roasted potatoes, but we're not going to make just any old roasted potatoes. We're making roasted potatoes in duck fat. So you know what you got to do. You better grab that glass of wine, y'all, and let's get to cooking. Welcome to my show. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'm Sylv Mac. Today we're gonna make a beautiful side dish that you can make really quickly, and you can serve it with like steak or pork chops or chicken, or eat it plain, or also for breakfast. I don't know about you, but I love potatoes. So we're gonna make some roasted potatoes, but the star of this show is gonna be duck fat. Oh my gosh. You can use olive oil if you want, but I'm telling you, this duck fat, it takes it to a whole nother level, because you know what they say. Once you go duck fat, you don't go back. We're going to use about maybe 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon and a half, somewhere around there, of duck fat. And we're just going to use 3 seasonings actually. Just some garlic powder. I love smoked salt, but you could certainly use just kosher some salt if you wanted to. Or some seasoning salt. And then just some black pepper, and that's it. So let me show you how easy it is to put this together. You want to scrub 1 russet potato for 2 people, and then give it a nice rough cut. Turn on your stove to high heat. You want to cover your potatoes in water and add some salt. Then you want to cover it and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, let it boil for 2 minutes only. Drain your potatoes in a colander, rinse them with cold water, and then pat them dry. Next, you want to place your potatoes in a baking sheet, spread them out, and then add that luxurious duck fat, like 2 tablespoons or so. Make sure it's all over the potatoes. Then we want to use our hands and just make sure that the potatoes are coated. Now it's time for the smoked salt. Next, we're going to add a little garlic powder, and finally some coarse black pepper. Now, let's give it one last mix up, and it's ready to go. Okay, so I just pulled the potatoes out of the oven, and take a look. Oh, these look fantastic. And I just came up with another idea. I thought, what the heck? I'm gonna sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on there. How about that? Yeah, that just came to me. All right, so now let's try to taste one, because they look so good. Y'all, the duck fat is where it's at. That duck fat flavor, the smoky salt, the little bit of Parmesan cheese that I added on at the last minute. It's crispy on the outside, but the potatoes are creamy on the inside. Hot damn! This is good. For this and other fabulous recipes, make sure you click onto the link that's either to my left or to my right, or my right or my left. I'm not sure which one. And you too can enjoy all of these recipes and do that famous head shake. This is good.